how does the offering reach our ancestors? And that is also described in the Garud Puran. It is sent, shared through the agency of the Devatas, right? So the Vasus, Rudras, and Adityas, they enter the body of the Brahmana, the saintly person whom we have invited home for accepting the offering on behalf of our ancestors. And the Vasus, the Rudras, and the Adityas, they represent our 3 generations of our ancestors. And when they enter the body of the Brahmana or the saintly person, they accept that offering, and then that offering is then transferred to our ancestors. It is also transferred, sometimes our own ancestors also may enter the body of the Brahmanas assembled, as it's described in the Ramayana, where Mother Sita, Lord Ram, and Lakshman are performing the Shraddh ceremony, they're performing this oblation ceremony for Dasharath Maharaj, father of Lord Ram. And when the Brahmanas, they invite 3 different Brahmanas to represent 3 different generations. And then they sit down to honor the food offering, the prasadam. Mother Sita gets very disturbed, and she goes away into behind, in the forest, and she watches everything from a distance. And then once the Brahmanas leave, and when she comes back to their place of living, Lord Ram asks her, like, why did you leave from there? And Sita gives this, she explains that she saw the dazzling form of her father-in-law, Raja Dasharath, enter into the body of one of the Brahmanas, and the other two Brahmanas also, she saw some very beautiful, kingly, royally dressed people, souls enter into those bodies and honor the prasad, and she got a little overwhelmed by watching that. And because her father-in-law, Raja Dasharath, was in his full king and royal finery, and she was not, she was in these forest clothes, and she's never appeared before her father-in-law in those forest clothes. She's always come before him as dressed as a royal. She thought it would disturb her father-in-law to see her stripped, bare, and without all that royalty, and being in very simple clothes, and that's why she stayed away. So this is something that is also explained in the Ramayana. The third way in which our ancestors receive that food is through the agency of the Pitrus. So some of our ancestors who may have not yet received another body, and they may be very wonderful and great souls, and they reside in the place of the ancestors, the planet of the ancestors, which is called the realm of the ancestors, which is called as the Pitru Loka. And while they are there, the representatives of the Pitru Lokas, the denizens of Pitru Lokas, descend wherever the Shraddh ceremony is happening, and they enter the body of the Brahmana, and they accept the offering on behalf of our ancestors, and then they transfer it to them.